All right, this is the second side to 5.2.5. It's just lots of good questions about basic probability that we should be comfortable answering at this point. If you are not, hopefully these videos will be helpful to you. So please feel free to watch it again and again just to get this worksheet done and help you understand all of these probability questions a lot better. Okay, so here's the first section. Use each diagram to solve the problems. How many pieces are there total in the spinner? It is quite a direct question, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just count the pieces of the pie. So how many pieces are there? 7. Pretty easy, right? All right. So I'm erasing that so we can continue. If you spun the spinner one time, what is the probability that it would land on a gray space? So on your paper, I was kind of concerned that the printing would not print out the colors properly. So I put gray and gray and white, 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 and black right on the spinner. So if you take a look, there are only 2 spaces out of 7. So that's it, 2 over 7. If you can, I would like you to convert it to decimal and then to percent. But it is not necessary, but it is good practice. So if you're willing to put in that practice, go for it. Okay, so the decimal of 2 over 7 is 0.29, rounding it. It says 2857, but I rounded it up because the 5 after the 8 takes us closer to 29 than 28. So this is going to be about 29%. I'm so sorry about that terrible handwriting right there. Let me try that again. Let's say it's 29%. Okay. So it's basically the same question, same type of question. Let me go over number 5 and then I'll go ahead and move on to the next section. Okay. So if you spin the spinner one time, I'm on number 5. What is the probability of landing on either a white space or black space? So what we want to do is we want to count how many white spaces there are and how many black spaces there are, because we want to end up with the probability of white or black. And if that's the case, we want to figure out how many whites, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 white pieces plus the 1 black piece out of total of 7. So you want to do the math in this sense if you want one or the other at the same spin on the same event. You want to get either white or black, and that will make you happy. You want to add those two. So what's 4 plus 1, which is 5 over 7. So number 5 would be 5 over 7. Try to change it to a decimal, then to a percent, and it's 0.71, or it's about 71%. Okay. All right. So if you'd like to see the other parts, go ahead and move on to the next video, and I will talk to you soon.